Okay, weird fact. Eventually, one of these days, I'm gonna have to, like, clip my nose hairs or something. It's just, or I can just not care. All those trees in my yard. Ah, it's so beautiful. I'm sorry, I just dropped your thing and you're gonna be okay with it, I'm pretty sure, but... My little sisters and I used to, when we were first 10 years ago, we were moving here, we'd be stuck at church all day. And since our mom wouldn't let us go across the street, we got to play in the courtyard. We just had to make sure we never got locked out. And we had lots of fun times. We pretended to have a tea party. It was their idea, not so much mine. But, yeah. Up the stairs we go. Trust me, you get to learn a lot about the church, about a church if you have to be stuck there every Sunday, all day long, if nobody takes you to their house. And they couldn't. And we didn't want to do that all the time. There's once a bunny rabbit down in here. I kind of skidded in there and then I couldn't get it out. That's before they cleared the thing so you could actually get into it again. I don't know what all that beeping noise was, but going back to my snacking. Like 1 o'clock? Wow. Okay. Turning this off so I can snack.